Hi everybody, welcome back to lecture this week. I know that we said we were going to be focusing on treatment this week, but in thinking about things, I really just wanted to take a few minutes and talk to you guys and just say thank you so much for your hard work this semester. I know many of you guys work full time, you have families, you're going to school, it's a lot to juggle. It really is. Believe me, I know. I've gone through it too. Working during grad school. I have a family now. I'm working full time. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of balls to juggle here. Um, and especially, I feel like this time of year in particular, it just seems to be getting a little bit harder and harder and harder. And the end is in sight and we're almost there. But we have a little bit more work to do before we get there. So sort of as a thank you to you guys, I just wanted to say thank you and leave you off the hook this week for lecture. Instead of listening to me talk about a topic and go in more depth, I feel like you guys are getting a lot of great information from talking to one another and from the readings. So this week, this is going to count for lecture. This little thank you video note to you guys, this will count for lecture and this will give you your points. So congratulations, you are done. You probably sat down thinking, oh, I gotta listen to her drone on and on and on and on for a few more minutes. But you're not. You're done. You're all done. So thank you guys for your hard work again, and keep strong. We are moving our way steadily throughout the semester, and we don't have much more to go, and then we'll be done and summer will be here. So keep on pushing, and as always, if you have anything that you have questions about or need to talk to me about, let me know. And otherwise, I will see you guys back here next week for what will be a real lecture. I'll see you guys then. Thanks and have a great day.